In Creo Parametric 13, models now open up in tabs at the top of the screen as opposed to separate windows. You can tell which tab is the active tab because it has a little green star next to it. Also, to change from one tab to another tab, all you have to do is click on the different tabs. If you want to preview a tab, you can just hover your mouse over that tab to see what it contains. If you want to reorder your tabs, all you have to do is drag a tab to where you want it to appear. For example, let's say I want my drawing next to be the assembly that it is associated with. Also, there's a lot of right mouse button functionality. If I right click on this tab, you can see that we have commands like we can close this tab, close all other tabs, or move to a new window. So even though your models open up in tabs, you still have separate windows as well. So I can move this to its own separate window, and now it is the only tab in this particular window. If I right mouse click on the tab again, I can move it back to the other window or any other windows that are open. If I want to move between the different tabs, you can also use Control and Tab. So I'll use Control and Tab, and now it highlights some of the other different tabs that are open. And by continuing to click on the Tab key, it is cycling between the various different tabs. And the tabs in different windows are going to be separated by a horizontal line from one another. So let's go to this other different tab. Now it is the active window. If you want to go back to the old behavior of having models open up in separate windows, that's going to be controlled with an option. I'll go to File, Options, Options, and then Window Settings. And right up at the top, here we have the option to open objects in tabs. And this does not have a corresponding config.pro option because this is one of those options that's going to be automatically stored in your .ui file. All right, let's take a look at a few other different things. Let me cancel out of the options dialog box. You still have the Windows drop-down menu, but it's for windows and tabs. And this one lists all the different open tabs and windows. Also, if you hover your mouse over one of the different objects, it's going to preview it to you, and it's also going to show you the file path in order to locate it on your computer. And so there you have it. That is new functionality for opening models in tabs in Creo Parametric 13.